How to customize FX rack in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the FX. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this FX button. Simply tap on it. Now this is the place where you can completely customize it. Here you'll be able to see different beats that are available. Here you can see different grid view and other view that you can select from. Here you'll be able to find option like echo, reverb and flanger also. Now you can customize it and use any one of these effects in whichever bit or whichever music that you want to select. So here you can simply tap on the one and it will automatically be selected and you can use the effects easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.